Hi guys, this is Avnan from YouTube. Today we are talking about that Venus, Venus missions. I make it this video into two. And first one is I make it into Soviet Union missions. Next is I told that another missions. Soviet Union launched many missions to the Venus. I told it I'll make it this video very quickly and shortly. But first I try to very quickly close it. First, it is launched in 1961. 1961, it launched the Veriner one. Um, Veriner one. It's a failed mission also. It also failed. Um, next is next one the failed interplanetary mission is 1961 launched. Next is Mariner 2. That is launched by the NASA. Um, and that is a successful interplanetary mission also. First successful interplanetary mission in 1962 it was launched, and it gathered data from the atmosphere of the Venus approximately 34,800 something kilometers. At the time of 1960s, we get data of the Venus from the radar observation. That provide measurement also very rotation period rotation period of Venus also gives the radar observatory. Get the information perfectly very close to the real. Next is we launched the Mariner 3. It was launched in 1965, but it arrived at the Venus to 1966 March 1, and February at the same time February 16, 1966, we launched the Mariner 4 also, successfully. The two missions Mariner 3 and successfully experimented science experiment, successfully make the science experiment. That is the temperature, pressure, and clouds density, and wind speed also. That get the temperature of approximately 500 degrees Celsius. That is very high compared to the Mariner 2 given information. Mariner 2 given temperature is minimum the 550 below, but the Mariner 4 get the temperature. It's a 500 degree plus also. Mm, Mostly it also find that atmosphere 95 percentage of the CO2 presence, and very dense atmosphere is there. mm. Around mostly, first soft landed spacecraft is Mariner 7 1970s. It is presented December 15 December 1970. Mariner 7 is landed. First spacecraft that is soft landed on, but data it also transmit data very lowly only, very low amount of data is transmitted. 1994 Mariner 10 sorry Mariner 10 I even Mariner 10, also high wind speed also find it, and Venus atmosphere is very it also find the Venus gravity also. It's a first mission, it's a first number one mission. It find the Venus gravity, gravity sits. It find the gravity, how the gravity is there, and whereas the gravity is very, whereas the gravity is low, and the some that like informations. mm, mm, 1970s, many observe. I told that 1960s observatory. 1970s also making the Arico observatory also used that to get the data from the about the Venus also. In that 1975, Soviet Venera 9, Venera 9, and 10 lander. The first image transferred to the our Earth. It's a black and white image. After that, NASA Pioneer and NASA Pioneer Venus missions. That orbits Venus 1978 to 1992. In that much of period, that orbits NASA Pioneer Venus mission is orbits Venus planet. It also gives some much of the information to the NASA also. After that, venera mm, almost 16 missions are launched by the Soviet Unions in the time of period. Now, I completed on Verna 13 and 14, 1982. It was launched. It's a it gives a color image. Um, color image. 19th first Venera 13 landed that surface and gives the color image. It works in 127 minutes. Venera 4 is landed soft landed and also gives the 57 it worked in 57 minutes and gives the images also. After the Veneras 15 and 16, 1983, 1984, um, and It also it orbits it orbits the Venus and covers the most of the northern part, the northern hemisphere of the Venus. About northern pole of the Venus to almost south of the 30 degree of north, almost down. Most of the images are covered and mapped it. Almost 25% of the planet's image are mapped. Terrains are mapped. Mm. After that, 1984 Venera program was all concluded. This is started to the next Vega program of Soviet Union. I will detail to about that in next video. Bye bye. See you. This is Saran from video.